Hi, my name is Anthony, and I'll be showing you how to navigate your class materials page. Once you've logged into your student portal, just click Classes on this left-hand menu, and then select the class that you would like to interact with. Now that the page is loaded, let me show you around. This message within this yellow box is your pin announcement. It contains important documents or important information like a Zoom link or a class syllabus. Underneath this pin announcement, you're going to find these green titles. Each of these titles is a session, and they contain content for your class, like files, homework, announcements, tests, stuff like that. To access this content, all you need to do is click the title or the plus button right next to it, and then you'll be able to see the content within that session. To submit something like a homework assignment, which is marked by this little Dropbox icon over here, all you need to do is click what you want to submit, and you can upload a file in the submission page. This file can be a Word document, it can be a PDF, it can be a photo of maybe some handwritten homework, or you can type the text or copy and paste it directly into the assignment text box. And if you have any comments for yourself or for the instructor, just put them right over here, and right after you've uploaded everything, go ahead and submit it. To submit a test, all you need to do is find your tests. From the way that this is organized, I can see that the tests are organized by month, so I can click October, I can click November, and those will show up over here. And if I would like to start a test, I can just click it, and unfortunately for me right now, the test is not started. It is available between the start and end dates, you can see over here. And once I am within that window, you can start your assessment. Now I'm going to show you another class setup that we have over here, and this is set up in a different way. We have a setup where it is by date rather than by assignment category. But everything still works the same. We still have our session, we have our announcement within that session, and we also have our assignment drop boxes over here. They work the exact same way. Now, if you'd like to check your grades, you can find your grades in Progress Report over here. Again, that's going to be on the right of your class materials page, and then you'll be able to see all of your visible graded assignments and tests. Because this is a test account, you can't see anything. And if you'd like to check your attendance, you can check it right over here. And again, because this is a test account, there is nothing on here to show. But once you've started attending the class, once you've started turning in assignments, you'll be able to see your grades and attendance record. You can also find those two over here on the left-hand menu under Attendance for attendance records, and under Reports and Transcripts for your progress report. Again, my name is Anthony, and I hope this helped.